Imagine you're studying a physics chapter. You read 2 lines, and the next second you're on YouTube watching What If Earth Had 2 Moons? And your brain says, study later, let's have some fun first. Familiar? Yeah, it happens to everyone. But today, I'm going to show you a physics shortcut toolkit that will help you study so fast and easily that people will think you're cheating. But nope, you're just learning the right way. Don't treat physics like a boring subject. Use it like a game. Stop thinking of physics as a monster filled with formulas and derivations. Treat it like a puzzle game. Turn every topic into an experiment, like Newton's laws. Pick up your phone and drop it. Just don't break the screen. Boom! Force, motion, gravity, all live demos. And here's a pro trick. Color code your notes. Red equals force. Blue equals energy. Green equals motion. Trust me, when you revise later, your brain will instantly recall everything. Turn formulas into decoding machines. Whenever you see a formula, your brain freezes, right? So use the 5-second breakdown method. Example, V equals U plus AT. Translation, final speed equals starting speed plus acceleration over time. That's it. Decode formulas into real-life language. Every time your brain will say, wait, that's all? Physics problems are detective cases. Next time you see a numerical problem, don't solve it immediately. First, become Sherlock Holmes. Ask, what's the story here? What's moving? Which force is acting? Treat every numerical like a mystery case. Once you understand the story, the solution comes out way faster. Speed run practice mode. Once you understand a chapter, set a challenge. Start a 20-minute timer and solve as many questions as possible. Then spend 10 minutes reviewing only your mistakes. This boosts both your recall speed and exam reflexes. The 3-step magic for confusing questions. Those long word problems and weird diagrams that confuse everyone, use this hack. Draw it out, turn words into a diagram, write the values, separate all given numbers and variables, choose the concept. Is it motion, force, or energy? Then apply the correct formula and the answer flows smoothly. Brain hacks, science-backed, not random tricks. Chew gum while studying and during exams. It can trigger memory recall. Use lo-fi beats or binaural music for better focus. Avoid lyrics. Revise before sleeping. Your brain literally cements information while you sleep. Yes, you might even study in your dreams. Look, physics only feels boring when you turn it into rote learning. But when you see it, test it, explain it, and play with it, your brain starts saying, bro, this is actually fun. And remember, you do not need to be a genius. You just need the right system. And now, you have that system. Comment, gravity can't stop me.